Hey everybody, this is Ori from Circuit, and I'm going to show you how to use the Plot Rows button in Google Analytics. So basically, plot rows are a way for you to quickly see in the graph of a specific page that you're on, specific elements you select, not just having an average of everything that's on this page, basically having one line on the graph, but actually selecting multiple to understand them better, to see your data and visualize this quickly and better. Okay, so you have two methods of doing this. Number one is you're going to go to the specific page you're interested in analytics. In this example, acquisition and source. And you're going to actually select the specific ones. Let's say I want to see Google and Yahoo traffic. Once I select these with the checkbox, I'm going to click on Plot Rows. And now the graph will refresh. And if you can see this, the top one is my altogether total sessions. Of course, I'm selecting sessions right here, and I can change that. The next one is Google Organic, and then Yahoo's way below. So here you can kind of see some information. But the downside to this is that because the total sessions or the total metric is just always going to be up and top, any metric that you don't have much data in comparison to the total is going to be showing very, very low. And sometimes you won't be able to see very well spikes and ups and downs. So this other method you can actually do is, let's remove this, okay? Okay, so now we're back to normal. Now I can go here above the graph and I can click here, okay, on motion chart. Okay, and now what I can do right here is select here this, okay, and I will now select my specific elements right here, okay, so because I'm only showing 10 rows, it'll show me these 10 right here. I can actually do 25 right here, and I can have more to select right here. Okay, so let's say I want to see the comparison between, let's say, Bing and Baidu. Okay, just for example, I'll select these two right here, and let's go right here. I select Bing and Bing and Baidu, and I click on the wrench right here, and I'm going to make the opacity to 0, so now it's a little more clear, and now I can see a little bit more information here. Okay, so now I'm looking at sessions and my new percentage of sessions. Let's do this. Okay, so now I can see the comparison between Baidu and Bing. Okay, so now I can compare the two. That's it. So very, very quick way of seeing plot rows and seeing more than one line and metric in your quick graphs. Okay, thank you.